My name is Gabriel, I stand by the flame, from early mornings till the night again. With a knife in my hand and a dream in my soul, every dish I create makes my spirit whole. I learn through fire, through sweat and time. Every recipe tells a story of mine. I'm Chef Gabriel, cooking with heart. Every plate I make is a work of art, from simple love to a perfect taste. In every meal my passion stays. Oh, I cook with love. Yeah, I cook with soul. Chef Gabriel, this is my role. From family tables to kitchens wide, different cultures cooking side by side. Mediterranean sun in my veins, British roots, tradition remains. Food is more than just what we eat. It's memory, love, and people we meet. I'm Chef Gabriel, cooking with heart. Every plate I make is a work of art, from simple love to a perfect taste. In every meal my passion stays. Oh, I cook with love. Yeah, I cook with soul. Chef Gabriel, this is my role. When life gets hard and the road is long, I find my strength where I belong. In the kitchen light, I stand tall, cooking for life, for one and all. I'm Chef Gabriel, hear my name. Cooking passion, cooking flame. If you taste my food, you'll understand. This is my heart, this is my hand. Yeah, I cook with love. Yeah, I cook with soul. Chef Gabriel, this is my role.